High in the misty mountains lived a young panda named Piper, known for her soft black and white fur. Surrounded by tall bamboo trees, Piper enjoyed the gentle sway of the leaves in the wind. Her favorite activity was munching on crunchy bamboo, delighted by the chomp, chomp, chomp of her bites. Yet, above all, Piper cherished playtime, joyfully rolling down grassy hills under the sun. One morning, Piper woke early, sensing an unusual silence throughout the forest. The usual cheerful songs of birds were absent, leaving her wondering, where is everyone? Intrigued, she waddled through the bamboo grove, the leaves rustling beneath her paws. Soon, she heard a faint, worried chirp. To her surprise, a small red bird was trapped, its wing caught in some vines. "Don't worry, I will help you," Piper reassured, moving carefully as she gently pulled the vines apart. The bird flapped its wing, freed at last. However, it could not fly just yet, feeling weak from its ordeal. With a thoughtful heart, Piper decided to carry the bird home. The little bird nestled safely on Piper's back as they journeyed together through the forest. They crossed a small stream, climbed a rocky path, and finally arrived at the bird's nest tree. The bird's family chirped with joy, grateful for the panda's kindness. "Thank you, kind panda," they sang, filling the now lively forest with cheerful sounds once more. Piper beamed with pride, realizing that while playtime is enjoyable, helping others brought even greater joy and warmth to her heart. Feeling extra happy, she rode down the hill again, ready for more adventures. From that day on, Piper played and helped at every opportunity,